Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Minnie B, and I am back with another V-I-D-E-L, 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 and video was the name. Okay? So, on Instagram today, I decided to do a poll. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please make sure you follow me on Instagram at... This is where I'm going to insert it right here, you guys. So please make sure you follow me at ITSMINNIEB. Please make sure you follow me on Instagram at It's Minnie B. I did a poll asking my supporters, because that's what they is, my homies, my friendies, you know, my yes. I asked them, you know, would they appreciate me doing a Travel Tip Tuesday? Because I feel like I'm pretty well-rounded on the travel tip part. So everybody was like, yeah. So this is why we're here on camera with a Travel Tip Tuesday coming to you. So let's get right into the video. So basically, if you see Travel Tip Tuesday anywhere else, I did that. I did do that. Nobody else didn't. I started that. Anywho, Travel Tip Tuesday, this is the first of many. I'm only going to give you guys one jewel. It's not like it's going to be a list of things. It's going to be one jewel that I've learned over the course of traveling. And for you negative Nancy's, you haters, even before my job, I was traveling. I'm just putting it out there. So yeah, don't try to come for me like, oh, she don't really know what she talking about. I do. I do, and when you figure this travel, when you start using this travel tip, you gonna know what I'm talking about too. Boom, boom. Anywho, basically, okay. So today's Travel Tip Tuesday is the most affordable, or basically the most affordable time to travel or get flued out, or to book a flight, or to catch flights for that matter, is Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Again, they are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Real simple, real easy. Why, Minnie? Why only travel on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays? Or why only book flights on those days? Because the average person, y'all know good or so well, y'all only go places on the weekend. You wanna know why? Because y'all be at work during the week. So, of course, they spike up the tickets because guess what? Y'all like to travel on the weekends. Duh. So, yeah, Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays are the best times to book the flight. And I tell you this, and you can quote me, you can go online, you can go to these websites, you can go to the apps. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturday. And the reason being, like I said, y'all like to travel on the weekends. The average person is working during the week, so they don't really have time to travel. And then on top of that, you probably like, hey, Minnie, Monday's not considered a weekend. Half of y'all don't like coming back on Saturday, so what is you talking about? You know you'd rather stay there till Monday, and a lot of people do stay there till Monday and leave Monday morning. So yes, today's travel tip is the best time to travel, to catch flights, to get flued out at an affordable price is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Thank you for watching and tuning in to Travel Tip Tuesday. That was a good one, y'all. Thank you for watching and tuning in to Travel Tip Tuesdays. Make sure you're back here, right here on this, probably won't be on this couch, but make sure you're back next Tuesday, okay? Okay, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about this travel tip trend that I'm about to start today. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if it was helpful or not. And if so, I'll keep doing them. And if not, we're going to shoot it out the window right now. Might as well, you know. So please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at ITSMINNIEB and on Twitter at ITSMINNIEB_. And again, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because you wouldn't want to mix next Tuesday's Travel Tip Tuesday, because trust me, it gets even better, you guys. So stay tuned, you guys. We out.